Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hyperlink here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Smartsheet, you can create hyperlinks to direct users to external websites, specific cells within the same sheet, other sheets or reports. Now, once you are logged into your account, just go to the file that you are working with. In my case, this is going to be that. I'm going to click on it and then select a cell. So click on the cell where you want to insert the hyperlink. In this case, I'm going to be choosing this one. Right click and click on the hyperlink. All right, and then paste the link to URL. In this case, I'm switching to our official Deep Laughs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the how-to videos and tutorials. We're dropping you guys every single day to keep you entertained and informed. All right, so do not miss out to hit that subscribe button and join the fun. We have so many Smartsheet tutorials for you. You might want to do that right now. So basically, I'm going to copy this this YouTube channel, our link to the Smartsheet, and then go back on the hyperlink, click that, and display text. You can also have the option to link that to other sheet, but for now, I'm going to link to URL. You see that? So when you click that, you would be forwarded to our Deep Laugh channels, right? It's perfect. Now I'm gonna switch over to our Smartsheet. Now once you have the hyperlink, you can simply copy that to any part of your now earlier it says that if you type in deep and laughs here, right, it says Control+K. The shortcut will give you to the link to URL, right? I'm just gonna right click on this, copy the URL, right click on deep, paste the hyperlink, like that. So to make it stand out, I'm gonna put in some color behind that, like a light yellow. Now, as you can see, by incorporating hyperlinks, you create an interconnected, efficient, and easy to navigate system that enhances productivity, collaboration, and data management in Smartsheet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.